guys, it's E here from Virginia Grace Living. So today I'm going to be moving my meat chickens out onto grass. I've had them for about 3.5, 4 weeks, something like that. And they're getting to that stage where you just basically can't stand to have them in your barn or garage or wherever it is, because as soon as you clean everything, they make it nasty again, and they're just eating monsters right now at this point. So they're growing really well. I'm happy with how they're doing, but they got to get out of the barn. So I'm going to move them out here in a few seconds. So we got these chicks as day-old chicks. I ordered them from Dawline Poultry. I'll put a link in the description to where we ordered them from. But they ship them to our post office, and then we get a phone call, and they tell us that they're ready to come pick up. So along with these, we actually got 6 Pekin ducks as well. And then we're going to raise those for meat and possibly keep back a breeding pair if we can figure out which ones are males and females. I think we'll know here in a little while. Real quick before I forget, I'm hosting another chicken processing workshop here at our farm, and if you're local to the Virginia area or you want to come, just head over to my Facebook page. The link is in the description there, and click on the events and go ahead and sign up there. You'll have to send me an email and I'll give you the address and everything once you paid your registration fee and everything. But I'm excited to do that. It went so well last year and I got a lot of good feedback, so I'm ready to do another one, and I hope to see you there. I'm just gonna move these guys. I'm gonna put them in my gorilla cart and carry them out to the chicken trap. Leave it. Leave it. So, got a kind of a dilapidated looking chicken tractor here, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna put them in here, give them some water. Max, get down, and let them experience some grass for the first time. See, our ducks have gotten pretty big. The meat chickens are getting to the gross looking phase. They don't feather out a lot because they're Cornish cross. They're happier and we're happier now that they're out on the grass. So they were stinking it up pretty bad in there. I got to clean that brooder out, and I have some egg layers that I'm going to put in there. They've outgrown the other brooder. But we're going to let these guys enjoy this grass, get them some water and food in here, and I got to feed the turkeys. Max, get out of here. So the nice folks over at GrubTerra sent out some chicken treats for us to try out. These are black soldier fly larvae. We're going to give some to our chickens and see how they like them. So I'm going to read the back to you real quick. It says, at GrubTerra we strive to provide high quality and healthy products for your pets. Our dried black soldier fly larvae are a perfect feed additive to your flock to keep them healthy and happy all year round. So GrubTerra's black soldier fly larvae are also environmentally friendly. They partner with farms to feed the black soldier fly larvae pre-consumer food waste from supermarkets, so they use some sustainable practices there and eliminating some of that food waste. And every pound of GrubTerra's black soldier fly larvae equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfill. So they're made well. Looks like United States, and doing some good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and try this out and give some to our chickens. So I want to say thanks to the guys over at GrubTerra for sending this out. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to buy some of this, our viewers. So I'll put that in the description, but let's go ahead and try some out and see how the chickens like it. I'd say they like it. So again, thanks to GrubTerra for sending this out. I'll give you guys kind of a close-up look here. But it looks to be very high quality. The chickens really like it. So here it is right here. These are the larvae. So they're not mealworms, they're black soldier fly larvae, and they're really nutritious for the chickens. Give them a couple more. And they really seem to like them. So this will be a nice little treat every now and then. It's not their full diet or anything by any means, but we love our chickens here and they give us great eggs, so we'll take care of them as well. So guys, that's really all I had. I just wanted to kind of share with you our process. You know, these chicks are 3-4 weeks old, somewhere around there, and that's when we kind of put them out on the grass, and then we start moving them around and letting them fertilize our grass. And in the wintertime I actually let them go across the vegetable plots when there wasn't anything in them. But they're happier and it's nice out, so they should do fine out here. It's warm enough now to where I don't have to worry about frost and them getting chilled out. They put out a lot of heat already. So but just another thing about the workshop, so if you guys want to sign up, don't forget to go ahead and head over to the Virginia Grace Living Facebook page and check out the events section. I'll have more information there. But if you shoot me an email at virginiagraceliving@gmail.com, I can send you a little bit more information than even what's on the little poster that I made. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and God bless.